Aloha, welcome to the tutorial on how to work with content management. We're gonna talk about how to work with views and panels and how we can create more attractive home pages. First, we need to decide the layout of our homepage. And to do that, it's preferable to work with panels. So you go on site building, you get down to panels, and then you go to dashboard. Once in dashboard, you can either create a new panel page, which is what we want, or you can edit one of the accounts that already are here. So you can see we already have a new home page for this website. You can go to edit, but let's go through the process of creating a new panel. Create a panel page, and then we're gonna give it an administrator name. We're gonna say test 1. The machine name is gonna be test_1. Administrator scripture, yeah, you guessed it right, test 1. And the path is gonna be test_1. So this setup, if you want this to be your home page, you just click on there, but we don't want that yet. And then we click continue. Once we click continue, the next step is to choose the layout. We have 2 column, 3 column, 2 column breaks, or you can choose either one of these. I usually work with a 3 column. It just depends how you want your homepage to look and what's the idea you're going to have. If your homepage is going to be with a lot of information on it, I recommend the 2 columns breaks. Then you can divide the page in different small portions, and then you can put all the information there, kind of like a sports page. You can go to ESPN and you'll see what I'm talking about. So let's say, but for this time, we're just gonna work with the 3 column one, which is the one that have been used in the past. Once you do that, you can create the title of the panel, which is gonna be test 1, and we hit finish. Once we hit finish, it's gonna give us the option to add information to this. So we can add content to every part of the panel, and we can say, and we're gonna add an existing node to it. We need to know the number of the node, and since I don't have any number out of the top of my head, I'm gonna go and try to look for one just for demonstration purposes. Go to the general business track. So general business track, we don't know the node ID because it only has, but if you go to edit, you can actually see, we're gonna move this a little here, the number of the node is right here, so you can see that. So okay, we're gonna we're gonna be using node 52. So we go back to your previous page and we say node. Okay, don't worry about that. Node 52. Oh wait. Oh, I know what it is. You're not supposed to write node, just 52. It's not that error. It's always there. So don't worry about it. If you wanna override the title of it, you can or not. So we want to show everything, just not the teaser. So we click finish, and you go update, and after you have updated it, you save it. So once you save it, it's going to show how your panel is going to look like. Let's see, after we saved it, we're going to go and add just more content on these different areas of the page. And as you can see, it's just to, if you click on test, that's the page we're working. That's how it's going to look like. That's what we have right now, but it's because there's no information on it. Oh, sorry. So that's what it looks like right now. See, test one. We're gonna go edit node. Actually, no, we don't want to edit the node. We want to work on the edit content. So just for fun, we're gonna add content here, and we're gonna on miscellaneous. You can find all the different blocks, and we are going to we're going to add a block to that side. So let's say announcements, and we want to write this instead. Test one. You update, and then you save it. Once you save it, let's go to edit content again. We're gonna add more content to these different areas. This is just for demonstration purposes, so you know how to do it. And see, you want to add a menu. So we're gonna add the International Business Management menu, and we want to override the title. And then we can add more to this, and we're gonna add another menu. Let me see, menu there, and we're gonna navigation, just to see how it looks like. So you updated it, and you save it. Let's go and see how our page looks like. So we have all the node. Oops, sorry. We have all the node right there, and then we have these different areas. See, that's the things that we put on. Test one, the line for registration. We have this one and this one, and then if you remember our layout. Is that 3-column one with 2 rows on top and at the bottom. So if we go to edit content, we can also add another. Let's see, we're gonna go to existing node.
Well, you get to be as bad as the rest of them. You gotta have 2 or 3 computers just to keep
Gonna go and look for a
It's
page
difficult
that
but
actually
not
creates
success.
the banner.
Elder Thompson?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
that?
One of the
That's something that I
bidders
made.
are
So it's
here.
node
Okay,
72.
I'm coming.
So we say
I better go
72
wrong.
for the bottom. And show we ignore this error, and we update, and we save it. Now let's see how our website looks like. So we have all that as the header, and then we have the different 3 columns, and then we have the banner. I'm going to show you an example of how a finished product for a panel with the use of views and rotor elements look like. There's one, as you can see, it's the food services one, and this one has the same layout that we were working with the difference that we didn't add any content to the last row at the bottom. So we only had the top of the panel and then the 3 different columns. As I said, it's panels are very useful to organize information in a way that it will look attractive to the customer or to whoever is visiting our website. And and at this point, we're introducing our second part of the tutorial, which should be working with views to create a rural element like this one over here. And if you click on it, there are links. But we will discuss that in our second tutorial. Mahalo.